My name is Shwamina Sarkar. आप देख रहे हैं Wealth Redefined Blog. Someone recently asked me about a question that what is the difference between Axis Blue Chip and Axis Growth Opportunities Fund. So we will make a video mostly about what is the difference between Blue Chip and Growth Opportunities kind of a fund. And here to show you the difference, we will take the Axis Blue Chip and Axis Growth Opportunities Fund. First of all, these two funds are completely different kind of funds. Axis Blue Chip mostly invest into the top 100 companies in India as per the guideline of SEBI. So, if I segregate the Axis Blue Chip, you can find that mostly the top 50 companies which is in Nifty are actually picked up by Axis Blue Chip fund. And this fund has a AUM of approximately 35,000 crore. Axis Growth Opportunity comes in a large and mid cap segment. So Axis Blue Chip comes in a large cap segment. Axis Growth Opportunities come in large and mid cap segment. Large and mid cap segment means there is a proposition of large cap as well as mid cap in that particular fund. So the mandate which has been given by SEBI, where Axis Growth can take an advantage of a large cap companies, which is top 100 companies according to the market capitalization, plus 150 companies as a mid cap in terms of market capitalization. So where Axis Blue Chip is mostly invested in top 100 companies, Axis Growth Opportunities has the option of investing into top 250 companies in India. Additionally, Axis Growth Opportunities have the option to include foreign equities in his portfolio. If you look at the foreign portfolio, it has a many companies which is there, like Visa is there, like Amazon is there, Apple is there, like Google is there, like Facebook is there, like Microsoft is there, and all those kind of US companies. Taiwan Semiconductor, a company which is based in Taiwan, is there. So all these foreign equities are there. And Axis Growth Opportunities has an AUM of approximately 5,000 crore. If we compare the PEs of those two funds are almost similar. Axis Blue Chip is around 45 PE and Axis Growth Opportunities has a 50 PE. But if we talk about risk basis, you can find that Axis Blue Chip mostly invests into blue chip companies, and that too based in India. So obviously the risk is slightly lower than the Axis Growth Opportunities Fund. Axis Growth Opportunities Fund is a diversified fund where it invests into US also, Taiwan also, some portion into Japan also, some portion in India also, and all those things. But it all invests into growth kind of companies. So obviously managing so many countries along with the India, and that too with the top 250 companies, looks slightly difficult. But if we look at the performance of Axis Growth, it has not disappointed at all. Rather, Axis Growth Opportunities Fund have done better than most of its peers. Axis Blue Chip is also a good fund, which is grew from approximately 5,000 crore to 35,000 crore in a couple of years' time. But it has a very concentrated portfolio. So if you are a high risk kind of a client, and if you are looking to grow your wealth on a 5 to 7 years or beyond time, Axis Growth Opportunities can be an ideal fund for you. But to hedge the risk also, you may require an Axis Blue Chip fund. If you look at the definition, Axis Growth Opportunities has a Indian large cap, mid cap, foreign equities, whereas Axis Blue Chip mostly have Indian large cap. So these are the basic difference of Axis Blue Chip as well as Axis Growth Opportunities Fund. But if you want to take those funds, you must talk to the financial advisor or an investment advisor who knows better that by taking which fund you can reach the goal. If you take a wrong fund into the portfolio, it may not help you to reach the goal at the right time. I request you to talk to the financial advisor of yours as well as portfolio manager to decide the fund and then start investing into it. If you have any queries regarding those two funds, and if you have anything which you want to ask, you can send me a message, or you can put it in the comment box, or you can call us on those numbers which are available. We can resolve your queries and make a separate video for that also. Thank you for watching it. Namaskar.